it's Nancy at Nally Studios, and I'm here today to do an unboxing from Plum paper. I ordered it about a week ago and it arrived in the mail, and so it's time to do the unboxing. And today I'm joined by a special guest who is the Nally Studios resident expert on unboxing. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Bridget.
She's going to help with the unboxing today. So, shall we take a look, Bridget?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at what's in this box. First off, this is a beautiful box. It's almost a shame to open it. I hated slicing the tape on it, but it has got this beautiful design on the side, and you can see it's got the lovely logo on the front. Makes me very excited to see what's inside.
I'm very excited too.
Let's take a look.
Shall we? Okay.
All right, let's take a look.
Ooh.
There's a pretty card. What does it say?
Plum paper. Personalized for you, by you.
Ooh, yes. I did personalize this, didn't I?
Yeah.
Let's see. We've got a sample of the cover material and a little gift tag. If you were given the planner as a gift, this has a nice little punched out gift tag that you can use with it. And a couple of little sticker samples. These look like fun. Little appointment and due date and goal samples and a couple little quotes. Those will be fun to play with. What do you think of those?
Great. I like yay, whoa, go, and yay.
Mm-hmm. And, oh, and their little care guide to how to take care of it, and also notes about where to find them on social media, which I will be using. And now here it is. Ah! I'm going to set aside the box. And it comes nicely packaged in this plastic bag, which is great because it was pouring rain when it arrived yesterday on my porch. So I'm very happy to see the plastic bag. So let's see.
Ooh. 2020 to 2021.
Yeah, this planner is, I ordered July 2020 to next June. So it's a 12-month planner. This is the large, what they call it, their large, it's letter size pages, 8.5 by 11. And I customized it to pretty much the max thickness that they'll let you add to it. I think there was 9 more pages I could have added. But I custom designed, this is a custom designed cover. This quote I added on the cover, it says, "There is beauty in simplicity." I had seen on one of the other covers that they had pre-designed and I liked, but I liked this design, so I designed up my own custom cover with it on. And oh, I love this. It feels sturdy. You like the flowers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my middle name is Rose.
That's right. That's right. I like roses. So, let's see. Nice clear plastic cover to protect it. And then I've got, ooh, that feels nice. Feel that.
Yeah, it feels nice.
It's smooth.
It's smooth.
Yeah, it's velvety to the touch. This is the ID page, made in the USA. Love that. And then we get into lovely, nice, readable future and past
months. We have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Because this is the 2020-2021, I have both years. I have 2020 in 2021 here. And what I love about these pages is they are readable. I need bifocals. I can't, when they cram like 4 years on one of these pages, I can't read it. This is awesome. I can read it. I might actually use these pages because I can read them. And I love this teal color. It's beautiful. And it matches the color, gorgeous. And again, these special dates pages, the size, because they're nice and spread out over 2 pages, I can read them. I might actually use them because they're a readable size. They're like, I won't be cramming little dates on them. And I love these colors. Ooh, ideas, plans, and goals.
Ooh.
I will fill that up fast. And now we get into the months. The tabs for the months are a rainbow of colors here. Where do they end? There they go. They end here. So I've got the corally pinks here, the purples, and then it goes into the teal and the green. And each month, this is a weekly planner. It starts with some planning pages that are goals and birthdays and things to remember for the month.
Like 4th of July.
Like the 4th of July is coming up in a couple days.
Or Halloween. Or Thanksgiving. Or Christmas. And my birthday.
And you can never forget your birthday, dear. And some of the holidays are on the calendar. This is the monthly view, and those boxes are so big. I like big. I have huge handwriting, and I love having space to spread out in my planner. That's why I ordered this massive one. This will live on my desk, so I don't have to worry about the weight carrying it around. And lots of note room, and on the edge there is the future month. And then weekly, I have these big columns. Now, when I ordered, I could have gotten these boxes customized with text. So like if you're homeschooling and you have different, you could put each kid here to plan their lessons for the day, or you could make one of them work and, soccer and whatever for your life, or morning, afternoon, evening, and then, the kids or whatever. So because I haven't quite decided how I want to use it yet, I opted to leave them blank so that I wouldn't end up wanting to change halfway through the year.
Yeah.
And I've got the notes space and the to-do space is the standard layout. You can customize it to change the to-do and the notes to say something else. So there's, at the end of the month, you notice here, see how the 29th and the 30th are grayed out. This was something I really liked because it puts, when a week is split in the month, it puts those days in both months and then grays them out in the month that they don't belong in, so that you can choose which or both that you want to use them in. You have the option as part of the add-ons that you can get bound into this, and I went a little nuts, to get extra note pages added into your, what they call it is dispersed pages. And what that means is they add them into the each month instead of putting them at the end. And so here I have extra just dot grid page for extra notes and stuff at the end of my month. And then I also have a bill tracker page at the end of each month that I can use to keep track to make sure that, all my bills get paid for the month and everything. And then I also got their blog planning add-on. And can't remember. This add-on costs $5 and it's dispersed. And so I have several pages, I guess it's just one in each month here, that is, it's a 2-page, but it's double-sided, so it's just one single page. For advertising and sponsors, I can set my goals for the month and my to-do for the blog for the month, post ideas that for the month, so you know, with holiday stuff and everything, I can keep track of that. And then I can put my blog post schedule here and a review and statistics for the month at the end of the month. And then at the end of the planner, I have 2 add-on sections that I also had put in. One of them, and this is one of the things I love, is I can open this all the way and just put it flat if I want, is social media. And I'm very excited about this because it has a posting guide for ideas for daily content and stuff. But the big thing is it has planning for social media, for goals and specific promotions to run in various different months, and pages for each month to plan like major social media initiatives and themes and things like that. And then it also has a page for your logins, which I probably wouldn't use. It's not that secure. And then also pages for campaign audits to track how well the different campaigns that you've planned have gone. And I really am excited to try tracking some of that in for my personal social for the website. And then I had those dot grid pages inserted dispersed in each month, but you can also have a section added for notes that does dot grids, or you can do blank pages, you can do lined pages.
You can do anything.
Pretty much you can. So I had dot grids because I'm kind of a little nuts about dot grid. I've used bullet journals in the past, but I need a little more structure. So this is a nice blending because it gives me the structure, but then I also have my dot grid pages that I can play on. And then at the very back, there's a couple other things. There's passwords, but again,
and my contacts.
And I can put contact pages back here. I've got contacts back here for important contacts that I might want to just have in here. And there's a US holidays page that shows holiday dates for 20, 21, and 22. So that's good for keeping track of vacations and social and blog posts and all that sort of stuff. And then 2022 in the front, there was the big 2-page ones of 2020 and 2021. This is for far future planning for 2022. And so it's on the single page. And then the very back, I have a paper pocket here that is standard as part of the planner that you can put various things in. And I added,
what is it?
These are sheet protectors. I added 3 of them. They'll let you add, I think, up to 5, if I remember correctly. And so you can put reference sheets back here for the kids' school calendars or,
holiday stuff.
Exactly. So you can put these, and these are nice and sturdy. These are sturdier than I expected. These will stand up to some handling. So very excited about those. And so I've got 3 of those. I haven't quite decided what to do with them yet, but I'm sure the 3 of those will get stuff put in them, no problem. So, and then the back cover is simply a blank version of the pattern that's on the front.
It's the same thing as roses.
Yeah, it's the same roses, and it is that same material, and then it has the clear plastic cover just like on the front. And so that is my new Plum paper planner, and hopefully it will change my life. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope that helps give you an idea of what Plum paper is about. This has not been a sponsored video. It's just the planner that I chose to try to get into in the middle of the year here, so I thought I'd share.
Yeah, this is so exciting. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye.
Bye.